Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to discuss the conditional probability. So conditional probability means we are going to find the probability of an event but over some conditions. Such kind of probability is known as the conditional probability. So this is read as a probability of an event A when B has already occurred. So हम A की probability find करने जा रहे हैं जबकि हमारे पास जो event B है वो already occur हो चुका है. So it means जो हमारे पास condition है वो ये है कि जो B है वो पहले आकर हो चुका है. So this is a condition. So such type of probability is known as a conditional probability. So the formula for conditional probability is probability of A intersection B. It means the same probability. So what are the same experimental outcomes of event A and the event B divided by the probability of event B that has already occurred. So let's see the conditional probability as a Venn diagram. So let's suppose this is event A and this is event B and this is a whole sample space. So we are given that the event B has already occurred. So we are taking this probability of an event A when B has already occurred. So it means B has already occurred. जबकि हमारे पास B occur हो चुका है तो हमारे पास क्या होगा, जो भी सैंपल स्पेस पूरा पहले ये पूरा का पूरा सैंपल स्पेस था. जब हम जो इवेंट B occur हो चुका है तो जो हमारे पास जो भी सैंपल स्पेस है वो श्रिंक हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल बिकम आवर सैंपल स्पेस. मीन्स पूरा का पूरा इवेंट B है वो हमारे पास सैंपल स्पेस हो जाएगा. और हमें क्या चाहिए कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट A. तो जो भी हमारे पास तो अब जो A का पार्ट है वो B में कितना है. सो दिस is the part of A which is present in the B. It means the common portion or the common sample points. So that will be the A intersection B. So the probability of A intersection B divided by the probability of event B. So let's take an example. So if we are taking first 5 natural numbers, so the first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. So let's suppose we have an event B that what is the probability of getting odd number when we are selecting a number at random. So there are 3 odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5. There are 3 odd numbers from the 5. So the probability of getting odd number is 3 by 5. And the same way, if I ask what is the probability of an event A. So event A is what is the probability that we get 1 or 2 when we select a number at random. So the 1 or 2 are 2 or 5. So the probability is 2 by 5. So this is the simple the probability. But if we are given condition that what is the probability of an event A when B has already occurred. कि जब हमारे पास event B already occur हो चुका है. So it means we are getting odd numbers. जो भी हमारे पास result आ रहा है वो odd numbers आ रहे हैं. तो for example this is odd number 1, 3, 5. We are getting only 1, 3, 5. जब भी हम एक रैंडम नंबर उठा रहे हैं तो हमारे पास जो भी रिजल्ट आ रहा है वो 1, 3, 5 ही आ रहा है. और अब जो हमारे पास दूसरा आकर हो रहा है वो कह रहा है कि गेटिंग 1 और 2. जो हमारे पास रिजल्ट आ रहा है उसमें से हम जो हमारे पास और नंबर्स आ रहे हैं उसमें से 1 और 2 आने के कितने चांसेस हैं और कितनी प्रोबेबिलिटी है. सो 1 और 2. सो 2 हमारे पास इसी सैंपल स्पेस में ही नहीं है. सो वी विल एक्सक्लूड इट. सो वी हैव ओनली 1 इज 1 ऑफ 3. सो टोटल सैंपल स्पेस में जो हमारे पास एक्सपेरिमेंटल आउटकम्स हैं वो 3 है. तो द 1 इज 1 ऑफ 3. सो जो हमारे पास कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि जो भी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट A when V has occurred is 1/3. So this is the simple way to find the probability of an event when another event has already occurred. So now we will discuss joint and the marginal probability. So we will understand it by taking an example. So the example is promotion status of police officers. So there are man and the woman, and those some are the promoted and some are not promoted. If we select a random person, so the probability of getting a man and that is promoted is 0.24. And same way the probability of getting woman and that is promoted is 0.03. And the probability of getting man that is not promoted is 0.56. And the probability of getting woman and that is not promoted is 0.17. So this portion is showing So these portions showing the probability of events both occurring. It means those are the man as well as the promoted. This shows the man and the promoted. This shows man not promoted. This shows woman promoted. This shows woman not promoted. So it means these are showing the occurrence of both events. So these are the column, these are the joint probability. These are showing joint probability. And the next concept is marginal probability. And the next concept is marginal probability. So marginal probability shows the probability of each event separately. So let's suppose, what is the probability that selected person is promoted? So it means this is showing the probability of each event. So the event is promoted is 0.27, and the not promoted, it means the selected person is not promoted, is 0.73, and the selected person is woman is 0.20, selected person is man is 0.80. So now let's discuss the independent events. So the independent events are those events, the occurrence of those events do not have any effect over the probability of occurrence of another event. So let's suppose we have an event A as well as event B. So event B has already occurred, but that do not have any effect over the event B. So the probability of that event will be simply only the probability of an event A. So in the same way, अगर हमारे पास पहले A आकर हो चुका है और अब दूसरा आकर होने जा रहा है, तो इंडिपेंडेंस तब होंगे जब जो आकर हो गया है, इट मीन्स जो हमारे पास A आकर हो गया है उसका कोई भी इफेक्ट B पे ना हो रहा हो, उसकी जो भी occurrence की probability है उस पर कोई भी इफेक्ट ना आ रहा हो. So those events, such events are known as the independent events. और जो भी उनकी probability होगी, जो भी, for example, the probability of an event A when B has already occurred, so that simply is equal to probability of an event A. So it means event B has no effect over the occurrence of event A. In the same way, we are going to find the probability of event B when A has already occurred. So but जो इंडिपेंडेंस तब होंगे जब जो हमारे पास A है उसका कोई भी इफेक्ट B पे ना हो रहा हो. So simply the probability of event B when A has already occurred is equal to simply the probability of B. So such events are known as the independent events. So now we will see the multiplication law. So the multiplication law is useful when we are going to find the probability of two events that are occurring at the same time. So the formula for finding the probability of such events, it means the event that are occurring at the same time is equal to probability of event that has firstly occurred into the probability of an event second when the first has already occurred. It means the probability of second event as conditional. Simply we will multiply it and we will find the probability of two events that are occurring at the same time. For more understanding, we are taking an example. So the example is, if we have a glass which contains 3 blue balls and the 4 black balls. So the question is, if we drop 2 balls, अगर हम 2 balls को at a time drop कर रहे हैं, what is the probability that the both dropping balls are black? कि जो भी 2 balls हम drop कर रहे हैं कि उसमें कितनी probability है कि वो दोनों ही balls black हों. So for example, जो हमारे पास first ball है, first ball black आए, first ball black, जो हमारे पास first ball black आए उसकी probability क्या है? So हमारे पास जो total balls है वो 7 है और जो उसमें से black है वो है 4 है. So it means जो हमारे पास first ball आए वो black आए उसकी probability क्या है? That is 4/7. और second ball आए जबकि हमारे पास पहला एक बाल चला गया है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर अब हमारे पास एक बाल निकल गया है यहाँ से, अब हमारे पास जो टोटल बाल बचे हैं वो है 6 balls, 3 black एज वेल एज 3 ब्लू. तो हमारे पास जो टोटल बाल्स है वो है 6, उसमें से ब्लैक कितने हैं? सो द 3 balls. जो हमारे पास सेकंड बाल भी ब्लैक हो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है 3/6. और जो अब हमें कंबाइन प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए कि दोनों एट ए टाइम आकर हो रहे हैं. सो सिंपली वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस इवेंट एंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ the second, that is event A when B has already occurred. So that is 4/7 multiplied by 3/6. So simply we will multiply by 4/7 multiply by 3/6. So we will find 1242. So this is the simply example of multiplication law. So this is the probability that the both dropping balls are black.